Hey everyone, so we got out of the home to have a little date night. Doing the green line nails, we're still with that. Happy Friday everyone, cheers. Enjoying a little sweet wine. I'm going to show you guys the view, how beautiful it is. Look at this view, you guys. Cheers. Hi, honey. Say hi to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. What are you having there?
An old-fashioned.
Yummy. Cheers, babe. Just having a good time, you guys. Enjoying my husband. Oh, look at the whale. So here's my hubby. We're having a little guacamole. We just had some oysters, and then I tried a new dish. What is it called, babe? Carpaccio. Did I say it right?
Carpaccio.
Oh.
Carpaccio.
So I've never tried it before. Why don't you tell everyone what kind of meat and the flavors that I had in it, so in case they ever want to order it, they know what to order.
It's sliced filet mignon, but it's raw. And it just has onions, peppers, and lemon juice and capers. But it's all raw, but it's filet mignon, like little tiny, thin, super thin slices.
And very delicious. I really enjoyed it, you guys. Now I'm going to turn the camera around to me. Cheers, everyone. So today we came out on a beautiful day together. We haven't been out in a while because we are always with our children and our lovely Nelly Wilson. We're going to go ahead and post. We're going to post this on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. It's really loud because there's a lot of people around us talking with us. And we're having a great time. I'm having a little, what is it called?
Rosé.
And
Rosé. Wine rosé. Oh, it's a New Zealand wine. It's a good wine.
cheers, everyone. We're going to go ahead and finish our vlog with what we're going to have for dinner, which we will be having some lamb chops. So we'll be back in a minute.
We are having lamb chops now. Little mashed potato. Mashed potato looks sad, but oh. There's my baby drinking her wine.
Cheers.
She's already buzzed. Again, one more time, lamb chops. Those are carrots, actually. Carrots with lamb chops. Beautiful. I need another drink.
Wow, those are interesting carrots.
Are they?
They're actually really good, and I don't like carrots.
Let me see. Oh, wow.
I didn't think they would be good. Let's try out the carrots. They're sweet. They have sesame seeds. We're in front of the meat. And you know what? Cheers. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful Friday, because I know we are.
Yup. Okay.
So we're gonna try the carrots one more time. They have this sweet sauce. Sesame oil, and then we have the lamb chop. We're gonna try for the first time. Remember, I hope you all join us on our YouTube channel.
And this is the end of the shops. The end of everything. It's getting dark. Ooh, look at that moon. Oh no, that's not the moon. That's a reflection of a light bulb. Excuse me.
Thank you for joining us in our date night, and hope to see you on my next video. And we did greenies. See you on my next video, everyone.